Welcome back to online math up. We're going to be solving this equation right here. So this is x power root x is equal to 25. So this is a typical math Olympiad past question. So you want to follow through so I see how you can actually solve that. Okay, so let me write solution. Okay, and then of course the question I repeated, this is x power root x is equal to 25. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just to find a way to rewrite this x right here, and of course I can rewrite it as root x all raised to power 2, which is basically the same with what I have right here, because 2 can actually cancel this square root, and then I'll be back to x. Okay, and of course I'm going to use this to multiply this root x here so that I have it this way is equal to 25. And so for me to make the solvings more convenient for me, I'm actually going to set this root x to be another variable. So I'm going to set root x, okay, to be equal to m. So if I do that, I'm going to be having m squared, okay, and of course raised to power, I'm going to be having m right here is equal to 25. Okay, so I can also decide to bring out these two right here. So I'm going to be having m, okay, power 2m is equal to 25. So what I will do next is just to take the natural log of both sides. Okay, so if I do that, I'm going to be having natural log of m power 2m is equal to the natural log of 25. So next I will utilize the property of logarithm, so which of course basically said if you have natural log of a power b, you can actually write this as b multiplied by the natural log of a. Okay, so if I apply that here, I'm going to be having 2m multiplied by the natural log of m is equal to the natural log of 25. Okay, so this point I am actually going to go ahead to divide through by these two right here, so that I'm going to be having this will cancel this m left here multiplied by the natural log of m is equal to the natural log of 25 divided by 2. Okay, and then of course I can go ahead to simplify this, and looking at how the problem is, we're actually going to be applying the Lambert W function to solve this. So our job is actually to simplify this left hand side to be in the form of a exponential a. Okay, so that of course when we apply the Lambert W function, this is actually going to be equal to a. So for me to achieve this, I'm actually going to write this m as exponential natural log of m. Okay, which is basically the same as m, because exponential of natural log is equal to 1, and 1 times m will still give you same. Okay, so writing this, I'm going to be having exponential natural log of m multiplied by this natural log of m right here, and of course it's all equal to the natural log of 25 divided by 2. Okay, so that I can actually write this as natural log of m, okay, natural log of m multiplied by the exponential natural log of m is equal to the natural log of 25 divided by 2. Okay, so you can see that I've got natural log right here, and I've also got natural log of m, which of course this function here is in the form of a exponential a. So now I can apply the Lambert W function. So I'll take the Lambert W function of natural log of m multiplied by the exponential of natural log of m, and this is equal to Lambert W function of natural log of 25 divided by 2. Okay, so that this whole left hand side now collapses to natural log of m is equal to the Lambert W function of natural log of 25 divided by 2. Okay, and of course for me to get this m right here, I'm actually gonna go ahead to take the exponential of both sides. So I'm going to be having exponential natural log of m is equal to the exponential of Lambert W function of natural log of 25 divided by 2. Okay, so that at this point natural log of exponential of natural log is equal to 1. 1 times m will be equal to m. Okay, and of course m is now equal to exponential Lambert W function of natural log of 25 divided by 2. Okay, so this is what we have, but then you remember that we set this m to be equal to root x. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just to replace it here, because of course we are looking for the value of x, so that I have that root x is equal to the exponential of Lambert W function of natural log of 25 divided by 2. Okay, so for me to get this x right here, I'm gonna actually go ahead to take the square of both sides. Okay, and of course if I do that, these two will cancel this square root, and eventually x will be equal to the exponential of Lambert W function of natural log of 25 divided by 2. Okay, and of course it's all gonna be raised to power 2. So this is actually gonna be the value of x that will satisfy the equation we are sorry. You can also get an approximate value when you go over to wolframalpha.com and compute this in the calculator right there on the side. Okay, but then of course this is what we have, and then let me have a thought in the comment section if you've understood this video. If you've got any value here, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification icon, and of course I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.